Tell me if this sounds like you. You hit the snooze button 3 to 5 times in the morning. Eventually you get up and shower even though you're a little late because that's the only way your hair won't look like you just got up for a midnight snack. You put on an office outfit that you wish you'd never had to wear. You grab a coffee and on the way to work you listen to another motivational video that helps you get in the right headspace to keep you going through the day ahead. You realize you're a little late and try your best to make that 35-minute commute finish in just 28. You walk in and confidently greet everyone, hiding a mild embarrassment. You hope not to run into your boss walking in, but of course you do. You consider building some rapport with him or her, but you ultimately decide to reduce your chances of triggering another one of those dreaded talks and just nod hello. You push through the next 10 to 12 hours and finally decide to go home because it's been dark for a while now. You drive back home and stop to get some junk food because you deserve it. You worked so hard. You keep driving. On days you're just excited to go home and get to spend a few minutes with your child before they go to sleep and then binge on the next Netflix show. On other days you just throw yourself a pity party and wonder what was the meaning of life. Those thoughts carry on through the rest of the evening. You consider quitting, but remember that you are very lucky to have a job in this economy. You get to sleep comforted by the fact that this is just life and you're doing your best. You're being a good, reliable provider. If that was you, then we share the same story. What if it didn't have to be that way? When advertising on YouTube, it's widely known and highly recommended that you make your solution seem super easy. But my friend, everything in life that deserves having needs a little work. I'm talking about your freedom here, a chance to work from any country, anywhere, a chance to work anytime, any hours that you like, a chance to create a solid, reliable, consistent income. Only click below if you are free for the next 90 minutes. I will connect you with the same education I use to replace my income. You will learn how to do the same and live your life however, wherever, and whenever you like. You don't need to have tons of free time to make this work. You don't need to quit your job to make this work. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to be amazing with technology. You only need 90 minutes of your time and to give yourself a chance. Click below and I will connect you with the right education for your situation. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you on the other side. Take care.